Welcome, how are you today? We have the most famous British food, so let's start together. Number 1. Fish and chips. A dish of the most well-known and famous dishes, fish of all kinds, but it is often a large dish of crunchy crisp fish rich in butter, usually served with mashed green peas and mashed potatoes with vinegar poured over the fish. Number 2. Black pudding. A popular dish, which has earned a reputation as a food to be tried by the brave. It is not just pudding, it is a nutritious dish often served for breakfast with bread, and the meat is in the form of boiled or oven-roasted sausage. Number 3. Kippers. A dish of cold smoked herring has been sold in English history, where men ate it during the war. Capers are eaten on their own, as a sandwich, or with salads and pasta as a delicious, salty fish addition. Number 4. Whole Chinese-style fried food. A recent study found that this dish is one of the 5 most popular dishes prepared and served at banquets at least once a week, due to its ease of preparation and delicious taste. Number 5. Grilled chicken pieces tikka with masala. A meal of grilled chicken strips in a spicy sauce, and some say it is a traditional England dish. Number 6. Spaghetti bolognese. It is a delicious English main dish, although it was extracted from Italy, and the English version is said to be quite different from the original dish created by Bologna. Number 7. Thai vegetable curry. Its green color comes from the presence of capsicum, which makes it a hot and spicy dish, with chicken, beef, or fish, and served with rice noodles, or roti, flatbread. Number 8. Shepherd's pie. An Old English favorite, this dish consists of minced lamb and vegetables, topped with mashed potatoes. Very popular during the winter season, served with peas, it is not to be confused with cottage pie, a similar dish made with beef. Now, we have finished this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new. Until another meeting. Goodbye.